This is a review of the Rode Videomic Pro Plus and how to use it. What comes in the box is a lithium-ion battery which is rechargeable, so you will be able to use a rechargeable battery as well as standard AA batteries, or you can connect directly the micro USB cable to the microphone in case you need continuous power supply. And the micro USB cable also has the Rode logo on it, so you will know that the cable belongs to the microphone. And you also get the TRRS cable, which is not fixed, connected to the microphone, so in case you need a replacement cable, you just have to get a standard cable without replacing the whole microphone. So that's a big advantage. First thing you notice when you pick up the Rode microphone is that it's very lightweight. It seems that it's probably around 100 grams, and it comes included with this styrofoam cover for the microphone, but there's also a windshield version of this cover which will prevent wind noise from being recorded into the microphone, especially in outdoor situations. But this also does a good job of covering the wind noise. And the whole microphone is like floating on a isolation mount to prevent noise from the movement of the microphone itself, and also noise from handling the camera or the microphone. And the length of the microphone is shorter than some other models, such as the original Rode Videomic, and probably also shorter than the Videomic Pro. Underneath the microphone is the battery compartment where you put in the rechargeable battery, and to open the latch you have to press on both sides of the microphone and pull to the front, and then you'll be able to insert the included rechargeable battery, which is called LB1. Insert the plus first, like this, and then close the latch. And to switch the microphone on, you hold and press the power on button until you see a blue light. To turn off the microphone, you just also press a few seconds on the button and then until the light is off. The microphone also has a automatic recognition when you plug in the TRRS cable into the camera or your other recording device. It will automatically switch on the microphone for you, so you won't have to think about that. And also when you pull out the cable from the camera, it will also turn off the microphone automatically. So like that you will prevent your batteries from going empty in case you forget to switch off the microphone. You also get a quick startup guide for the Videomic Pro Plus, which shows you how to use the main features of this microphone. You can start recording immediately when you press the on switch button, but you also have several options to adjust audio quality. Let's press this on first. For instance, if you want to avoid a background noise, if you are in a noisy environment such as where there's heavy machinery in the background, or you are outside where there's lots of traffic of cars and motorbikes, you might want to increase the hertz to 75 or even 150. This will avoid background noise to be captured into your sound recording. Not completely avoided, but at least the background noise will be reduced. For instance, if you have air conditioning in the background, which is fairly loud, you can put it to 75. Just press the button once. When you want to go to 150 Hz, you press the button again. And to switch off, you press the button a third time, which should be good for normal sound environments. And next to this button, which is called the high pass filter, next to this high pass filter button, you'll find the output gain control. So this will allow you to increase the power of the sound recording in case it's not loud enough, the result of the sound recording. You can press the button for +20, then the volume of the sound recording will go up. Or if you are in a noisy environment and you are recording a very loud sound source, such as in a live concert, you might want to decrease the output gain by -10 by pressing the output gain control button one time, so it's at -10. But for normal recording you can just leave it at the default 0. And down here you see a small light which is called the high frequency boost option. This you can activate to enhance clarity and detail in your recording, and it's particularly helpful if you are using the windshield cover for the microphone, which prevents wind noise from being recorded. To activate the high frequency boost, you need to press the high pass filter, this one, and the output gain control, this one, at the same time to enable the high frequency boost. So you press both at the same time, and then the green light will show up to indicate that it's on. To turn it off, you press both buttons again, and then it's off. And in the middle here, over here, you have another light which indicates the safety channel, which will lower the output of the right channel of the dual mono signal by 10 dB. This will help to ensure the signal does not clip when unexpected spikes in level occur. And to switch that on, you have to press the output gain control and the power button at the same time until the green light is on. And to turn it off, you press both buttons together again, then it's off. So the Videomic Pro Plus will automatically power on when you connect the cable to a camera, but if you want to switch off this function, you can press the HPF and the power on button at the same time. And then the lights will blink 3 times, indicating the automatic power on feature is switched off. To turn it back on again, you just press both at the same time, indicating one flash to indicate that the automatic power on is switched on again. Furthermore, the Videomic Pro Plus has a wind inside the hot shoe which allows you to place the microphone on a tripod, provided that you have an adapter for this size of screw, which you can get from any good camera shop where they have accessories for the mounting system. In this case, you will need a female 1/4 inch screw to male 3/8 inch screw. So this costs around $1 or $2, and you even can order it online. Once you have that piece, you can screw it into the microphone, and once it's screwed in, you can attach it to a standard quarter-size tripod screw, which I have here. So you can use the tripod as a stand for your microphone. To record with your mobile phone, you will need a TRS to TRRS adapter, which they also have available from Rode, called SC4 adapter. However, the audio quality seems to be best when using without adapter. What microphones are you currently using for your camera? You can list them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.